Imagine a world where dinosaurs roamed freely and the Earth was still being shaped by massive volcanic eruptions. Welcome to the prehistoric period, a time before humans started writing history. This amazing era spans millions of years and can be split into several parts, such as the Precambrian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic periods. Let's start with the Precambrian, which is the longest phase of Earth's history. It's like the really long beginning of a story where life was just starting to form. Scientists believe that during this time, which lasted about 4 billion years, the first simple life forms like tiny bacteria appeared. The Earth looked very different back then, with oceans forming and storms raging. After the Precambrian comes the Paleozoic era. This is where things start to get really interesting. The Paleozoic lasted for about 300 million years. During this time, life exploded into a variety of forms. The seas were filled with strange creatures, such as trilobites and the first fish. Plants began to grow on land, and eventually, the first insects and land animals emerged. Next, we have the Mesozoic era, also known as the Age of Dinosaurs. This is probably the most exciting part of the prehistoric period for most people. Dinosaurs like the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex and the long-necked Brachiosaurus stomped across the land. The Mesozoic lasted about 180 million years, and during this era, the first birds appeared, evolving from their dinosaur ancestors. Finally, we enter the Cenozoic era. After the dinosaurs disappeared, mammals became the dominant animals. Creatures that look more familiar to us, such as woolly mammoths and saber-toothed cats, roamed the earth. This era is still ongoing today, and it includes the arrival of humans. Throughout the prehistoric period, the earth was constantly changing. Giant supercontinents like Pangaea formed and then slowly drifted apart. The climate shifted between ice ages and warmer periods, affecting life all over the planet. Looking back, the prehistoric period is like an exciting adventure book full of incredible changes and development. From simple, tiny life forms in the ocean to the mighty dinosaurs and eventually the rise of humans. The story of life on Earth is one of wonder and discovery. It's amazing to think that every bit of life today traces back to this incredible time in history. By studying fossils and rocks, scientists continue to learn more about this fascinating period, giving us clues about the past and ideas for the future. Join us on this journey through time and see what life was like before our history books began.